If you've been thinking about buying an AirTag but find it too expensive, this video is for you. Today, I'm bringing you the 7 best AirTag alternatives you can get on AliExpress for a fraction of the price. And the best part, they all work with Apple's Find My app, so you don't need to install anything weird or rely on third-party apps. Just pair them and you'll see them right on your iPhone, just like an AirTag. All the links are in the description in case you want to check prices or order the one that suits you best. Let's get to the point. We're starting with the Mini Bluetooth Locator, an ultra-compact model that literally fits anywhere. It's fully compatible with Apple's Find My app, so you can locate it from your iPhone just like an AirTag. It uses a CR2032 coin battery or a rechargeable button battery, giving you between 6 and 12 months of use depending on how often you make it ring. The range is typical Bluetooth LE, between 10 and 20 meters in open spaces. It has a small button to activate the sound and a discrete LED. Don't expect premium materials or water resistance, but for keeping it on your keys, backpack, or even your cat's collar, it's perfect. And at this price, you could buy 3 and still spend less than on a single AirTag. If you often lose your keys at home or forget which coat you left something in, this little one will save you a lot of headaches. Next up is the Mini Bluetooth Tracker, a version that's become popular for its lightness and because it connects directly to Apple's Find My app without any tricks. This tracker is fully compatible with Apple's Find My system and can be paired in seconds. On AliExpress, you might see it listed as MFI clone, but the connection is completely direct and reliable. It uses the same type of battery as the previous model, has a button to emit sound, a simple LED, and the same Bluetooth range. What's interesting about this one is its even more compact shape, perfect for small or discrete items. The build isn't the sturdiest and the sound is moderate, but if you want something simple, effective, and that talks to your iPhone without fuss, this one gets the job done. It's ideal to tuck inside an earbud case or even in a glasses case and forget it's there until you actually need it. Plus, it's so light you can stick it with adhesive tape to drones, remotes, or even the back of a tablet without it getting in the way. Now, if you need something flatter to carry in your wallet or passport, the AIO Card Tracker is the obvious choice. And yes, it's fully compatible with Apple's Find My app. It's as thin as a credit card, and although it doesn't have a replaceable battery, it recharges easily and also lasts between 6 and 12 months per charge. It connects seamlessly to the Find My app and has the same detection range. It's not water resistant and doesn't have a very loud alarm, but the design is what really stands out. Imagine losing your wallet in a cafe and seeing its exact location on your iPhone within a minute, without installing any extra app. That peace of mind is worth a lot for a very reasonable price. This format is also ideal to keep with important documents in a folder or binder if you often move paperwork between home and the office. Next is the Ayatu Mini Tracker, which sits as a mid-range option, compact with button-activated sound, keychain-style design, and fully compatible with Apple's Find My app. It works with a CR2032 battery or a rechargeable button battery and offers the same 6 to 12 months of autonomy. You won't find premium materials or tough durability here, but you do get a light, practical, and straightforward solution to keep track of the things you tend to lose. Compared to the first model, this one has a slightly more refined design and is easier to attach to key rings or straps. If you're planning to gift one of these, this model is a balanced choice for someone who hasn't used trackers before and wants to start with something easy. If you prefer a card-style design but don't want to worry about changing batteries, the Rechargeable Card Tracker is what you're looking for. This model is also fully compatible with Apple's Find My app, so your iPhone recognizes it just like an AirTag. It's very discreet in form, charges via cable, though it uses a proprietary one, and gives you between 6 and 12 months per charge. Compatibility with Find My is immediate. All you need to do is pair it. It's ideal for tucking among documents, in your passport, or even in your iPad case. The sound isn't very loud, so if you lose it in a noisy place, you might not hear it easily. But on the plus side, you never have to worry about buying new batteries. It's also great for frequent travelers, as its flat design goes completely unnoticed in security checks or carry-on bags. Now we enter the UGREN line, which plays in another league in terms of build and features. We start with the UGREN FindTrack Smart Finder. This tracker has a sturdier design, a replaceable CR2032 battery, and a lifespan of up to 24 months. Yes, 2 years without needing to do anything. It also has a powerful 80 decibel alarm and features like alerts when you move too far from an object. It connects directly to Apple's Find My app, is officially certified, and has a solid build. The battery is easy to replace and UL certified, adding a safety bonus. It's perfect for backpacks, suitcases, or any item you frequently move and want to keep track of. It also includes features like sharing the tracker's location with another iPhone, which is useful for couples or families. This is the kind of device you forget you have until the day you really need it. And to wrap up, the sleekest and slimmest of all, the UGREN Find Track Slim Finder. This one is also fully compatible with Apple's Find My app and officially certified. It's a slim card-like tracker with an internal rechargeable battery and magnetic charging, giving it a premium touch. It offers up to 12 months of battery life per charge and is water-resistant with an IP68 rating. It has a powerful alarm like the Smart Finder, around 80 decibels, and also pairs effortlessly with Find My. It's ideal if you need a tracker inside a slim wallet, among documents, or even in luggage when traveling. Its water resistance makes it perfect for humid environments, or if you just want to stop worrying about protecting it. Just keep in mind that it depends on a specific magnetic charging cable, so don't lose it. This model is also excellent for photographers or travelers who want both visual and audible control over the whereabouts of their bags, cameras, or backpacks without compromising on design. So, how do you decide between these 7? If you want something extremely cheap for keys or backpacks and don't mind a basic build, the first 2 models are perfect. If you need something flat for documents, the card-style models are your best bet. The AIO card if you care about design, and the generic rechargeable one if you prefer not to deal with batteries. If you want the best alarm and battery life, the UGREN Smart Finder is a beast for important items. And if you need something elegant, slim, and waterproof, the UGREN Slim Finder has no rival. A smart strategy is to use different types for different items, a powerful one in your backpack and a flat one in your wallet, for example. All of these devices connect directly with Apple's Find My app. You don't need to install anything odd or share your information with unknown apps. Just pair, name the item, and you're done. So if you have a hard time keeping track of your stuff or want to gift something useful to a forgetful friend, any of these options is a smart purchase. Also remember that unlike other Chinese tracking apps, with Find My you get the support of Apple's entire global device network, which improves accuracy and coverage. That's why these cheap alternatives aren't just simple knockoffs. They're truly integrated into the ecosystem. All the links are below in the description in case you want to check them out, and if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more comparisons like this one. See you in the next one.